Hi, this is my video regarding the human resource frame. The video describes the building leadership role according to the human resource frame of leadership. According to this model, the principal plays more of an analyst and architect when it comes to the organizational structure and building the organization according to its needs. This allows for a more consistent and flowing Hi. This is my video regarding the human resource frame. The video describes the building leadership role according to the human resource frame of leadership. According to this model, the principal plays more of an analyst and architect when it comes to the organizational structure and building the organization according to its needs. This allows for a more consistent and flowing work environment. If the employee fits the job and the job fits the employee is satisfied and the organization benefits with employee talent and productivity. The principal must also lead by serving to meet the needs of the organization and act as a catalyst among the staff, allowing for the group to obtain organizational goals. Schools exist to meet the needs of students. Therefore, that is the highest priority. Goals will be achieved by aligning organizational needs, empowering sub-leaders to make appropriate organizational needs to obtain the goals, strategic planning to meet goals, and allowing open communication to meet needs. As building principal, I would structure my school leadership to begin with establishing the goal of meeting student needs. My leadership hierarchy would be teachers first. The second is the paraprofessionals, academic enrichment specialists, for example, band, orchestra, music, PE, art, librarians, coaches, and counselors. The third in the leadership hierarchy would be the principal to establish rules, policies, guidelines. The fourth is the office staff. Fifth is students. Sixth would be cooks, custodians, and building maintenance. Seventh would be community, and then the last would be the alumni. The reason I chose this hierarchy model is to empower teachers and all staff that are directly involved with meeting the needs of educating students. The office staff must also aid in attending to the needs of meeting the goals of students' success. The students are fifth in the model as they are the reason the school exists. However, their leadership is limited to their abilities and their place in the school. They develop their own leadership, but must follow guidelines from higher leaders. The cooks and maintenance are important as they they provide the meals and keep the building clean. However, they are not directly involved in decision-making process of meeting students' needs, but they are important. Parents follow the leadership of the building staff and students as their input and participation is extremely important to meet the goals, the school goal of student success. Community and alumni will follow at the end. They also must have a voice and able to give input. However, because they are not directly involved with the school, they are placed at the bottom of the hierarchy. When all the roles work together, then the leader can serve as catalyst to allow ways and means for connecting people together to meet the school goal of student needs and student success and achievement. Thank you for watching my video, and I've also enjoyed a lot. I've learned a lot in this class, and I've enjoyed it a lot. So thank you. Have a great day.